You're here for the following matters, Mr. Smith. Case 220-59406, People State of Michigan versus Dontae Ramon Smith. You have case 220-59407, People State of Michigan versus Dontae Ramon Smith. Case 220-59408, People State of Michigan versus Dontae Ramon Smith. And case 220-59405, People State of Michigan versus Dontae Ramon Smith. APA, one moment, I believe defense counsel wants to address the court prior to the arraignment. Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, that is correct. I did have the chance to speak to Mr. Smith. I was able only to get limited information from him. It was not clear if he wanted to utilize our services. We really want to represent him and help him. I just want to make sure that we can do so properly with the opportunity to speak to Mr. Smith. That's where we're at. I wasn't able to get much information from Mr. Smith.
Are you asking for more time for the interview, or are you just letting the court know how the interview went? So you're ready to proceed? Thank you. APA, as to the arraignments.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we do waive the formal reading. Mr. Smith has been advised of his constitutional rights and does stand used to the charges.
The court waive formal reading, enter a not guilty plea on all four files. Mr. Smith, the court is scheduling the same court date on all four allegations. The probable cause conference is scheduled September the 14th. That's Wednesday, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge King. That will take place via Zoom. You have a right to a preliminary examination the following Wednesday, September the 21st. That's at 1:45 p.m. That will be in person in front of Judge King at the 36th District Court. September 14th via Zoom, September 21st in person in front of Judge King at the 36th District Court. Not guilty pleas entered. As to bond, APA, go forward.
Your Honor, the people are requesting a remand. These cases, we are asking the court to consider the likelihood of conviction and the danger to the community in requesting remand. These are 4 shootings that occurred within about 3 hours in the early morning hours on Sunday on Detroit's west side. The person shot were strangers to the defendant and appeared to be random. There is considerable evidence, including surveillance video and scientific evidence, that such that the people would argue the likelihood of conviction is very high. So, and there are 3 murders and 1 assault with intent to commit murder. So in total, 4 persons were either killed or seriously injured as a result of what the people allege to be the defendant's actions.
Thank you. Any response?
Yes, so first I would advise, Your Honor, it is my duty to advise this honorable court that I do believe that Mr. Smith's constitutional rights have been violated. Defense counsel has not had access to the investigator's report. The case has been suppressed. We're not able to look it up. I can't go over these allegations with Mr. Smith to mount a significant defense to make a bond argument. Judge, it looks like there's an allegation of 1 offense, but 4 different cases instead of 1 complaint. Defense counsel does not have the opportunity to prepare. We have not been provided this information, and I do believe that violates Mr. Smith's constitutional rights. Judge, I would ask the court to keep in mind when setting this bond that my client was presumed innocent of these charges. From the information I was able to obtain from him, he did indicate he had a stable residence with his mother, brothers, and stepdad. Judge, I did do an oral research here in the 36th District Court. I don't find any previous history. I didn't hear counsel mention any prior criminal convictions. So with those representations, Judge, I'd ask the court to keep in consideration that Mr. Smith, if remanded, is not going to have the opportunity to meet with counsel and go over it.
Why can't he meet with counsel if he's remanded?
Because it's been reported to the press, Judge.
Well, that doesn't have anything to do whether he's remanded or not. You said he could still speak with counsel, regardless of the bond. You indicated if he was remanded, he couldn't speak with counsel, and that's not accurate.
Your Honor, at this point, the judge.
I would like to finish my argument, Judge.
Thank you. One moment,
Sorry.
APA, go finish.
I'm sorry.
So Your Honor, with that being stated, I just don't think Mr. Smith has had a fair shot today. And I would ask the court to consider a reasonable bond. I know that these are serious and assaultive allegations, but that's what they are, Judge. These are allegations. Mr. Smith does have a presumption of innocence. And I'd ask the court to keep that in mind when setting bond.
Is there a bond he can't afford?
No, Your Honor.
And what do you think is reasonable given these allegations?
Your Honor, so when I evaluate bond, I look at bond on a case-by-case basis. As a defense attorney without the ability to review an investigator's report, the only thing that I'm aware of in this case is the charges, the fact that there's media present, and, an occasion that the prosecutor zooms in to look before. So I understand the serious nature of the allegations, but with what I have, Judge, I don't believe I can ask you for anything besides a personal bond with the GPS tether in lieu of the charge.
A personal bond you're asking for?
Yes, Your Honor. With the
Thank
GPS
you.
tether.
APA, any response?
Your Honor, the Judge King did for now suppress the investigator's report to preserve the safety of witnesses and persons who may have assisted the police in providing information so that this crime spree could be stopped. The people will certainly make available the discovery to the assigned defense counsel. At this point, Your Honor, based on mere allegations, but the very serious nature of these allegations and charges, the people are requesting a remand order on each case. The defendant is a very serious risk to the community, Your Honor.
Thank you, APA, for that response. Anything further from the defense?
Judge, I'd ask the court to keep in mind that there's no previous history or criminal history that we've been made aware of or that we're able to see. So, when somebody's presumed innocent of a charge, I don't think that, a likelihood of conviction should be determined, especially the possibility of examining such evidence at the arraignment.
Thank you. And APA, anything further for the court, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, the court takes into consideration a number of things upon imposition of bond. The court's heard arguments from your counsel as well as from the assistant prosecuting attorney, Ms. Goldfarb, who has informed the court a number of things to take into consideration. After review of the investigator's report as well as listening to arguments, the court finds that there is a likelihood of conviction, sir. That does concern the court regarding the safety of the public at whole, given the nature of these allegations as set forth in the investigator's report. As counsel stated, both counsels stated, these charges are extremely serious assaultive charges. And the court, after review of the investigator's report and taking into consideration your employment status as it relates to the ability to post bond, as well as your ties to the community, noting the court's unaware of any capious history or prior criminal convictions, the court finds you, sir, to be a danger to the community. And for those reasons, and given the information alleged in the investigator's report, the serious nature of these allegations on case ending in 9405, sir, bond on that matter is going to be set in the amount of $1 million cash surety. During that bond, sir, you are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any dangerous weapon. If you're able to make bond, you're to be fit with a GPS tether under house arrest. Absolutely no contact with John Pallet during this bond. That's no contact of any kind, orally and writing, through a third person at their place of residency, employment, or through any forms of social media. On case ending in 9408, the court, sir, finds that information alleged has given the court concerns regarding your mental condition as well as the danger to the community and the seriousness of these offenses. The court is going to remand you into custody for further proceedings, as well as on case ending in 0701. The court finds you, sir, to be a danger to the community. Given your mental condition, the court has concerns after the allegations set forth in the investigator's report, and given a serious offense on those allegations, you will be remanded into custody for further proceedings, as well as on case 04, the case ending in 0601. The court makes similar findings, sir, that based on the information alleged in the investigator's report, the court finds you to be a danger to the community, as well as has concerns regarding your mental conditions. These are very serious offenses. On that matter, sir, you will be remanded into custody for further proceedings. Anything further, APA Goldberg?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Brother Counsel, anything further for me?
Yes, Your Honor,
One more.
I would ask the court to consider deviating from the rule and not certifying a little bit. The court is unwilling to do that. Remember, I don't have the investigators report that the court has some concerns with regard to anything medical. I'd ask the court to mark this as the
The court's concerns are regarding his mental condition, given the information alleged in the investigator's report, but at your request, counsel, please mark Mr. Smith's file medical for the reasons stated by counsel. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, enjoy the rest of your day as well. Thank you, DDC. Good luck, Mr. Smith.